Welcome to Heart and Parcel Listening and Speaking Study. Each session is about 15 minutes. You will practice listening and speaking. These sessions are for lower intermediate to intermediate students, or entry 1 to 3 ESOL students. First, choose your recipe. For example, I will choose Rizwana's Spinach Pakora, Session 7. First, listen to the audio all the way through once. Heart and Parcel from home to home. Listening and speaking help. Try to listen to any new words that you hear. Write them down. Also, try to write down what the women say about their recipes. Next, go to the transcript at the end. Read through the transcript and check your answers and your writing. The third step, listen to the audio. At the same time, follow the transcript. Try to listen to how some words are pronounced. Finally, listen to the audio one more time to catch all of the new words and the meaning. Answer the question that is given to you at the end of the audio. You can speak out loud, or you can write it down, or you can record yourself and listen back.